part 3. Cleaned the camera lens a little bit, that's better now. I decided I'm not going to use that anymore, so get the drill out. So damn easy, Mr. Donor. Okay, here we go again. Ready? Some steering lines. So the list goes on and on. Even not with me, it goes easy. Everybody knows I'm up for a challenge and I like the challenge. There's a special rubber enclosure. We're finally ready for the airco lines. Tomorrow morning I'm en route to get the final discussions with the builder of the airco lines. He's going to make them going upwards from the original point that's going to stay there. Then we're going through the rain tray to the outside of the inner fenders, from the inner fenders straight forward, downwards and back to the pump. Actually, pretty easy job. Alrighty, another step in this project. We're going to clean out the front. That's one need to go. That one's for the cooler, staying, going. First, let's clean it. Okay, first I'm going to grind down all the paint for the hole that I want to close. Clean the camera lens a little bit, that's better now. Even not with me, it goes easy. A little trick that always works pretty well. Take a little copper plate, we put it behind the hole and then we can easily weld it through. The other thing we did, we made with the waterjet some new holes in the brake discs. Oh, that went so fucking good. Everybody knows I'm up for a challenge and I like the challenge. I came up with this. I got this nice old milling machine which I once made CNC, but it's broken. We're trying to fix it, but it's old, so it's difficult to find the solution and find parts. So normal people go to sleep at night and I start thinking. Then what happens? I want this disc to 5 times 108. I got another CNC machine. So that got me thinking. I'm going to make some parts, going to go to the lathe, going to fix a little aluminum bushing to align the centers of the disc and the starting point of the CNC machine. And so I think I can make the disc 5x108 with CNC, only then with a waterjet. Okay, this first attempt was a good idea. I wanted the center on the first hole of the bolt pattern and then cut out a hole where the disc will fall in, so that I know I would exactly straight. But when I was working on it, I thought, nah, that's not the best idea. So bolt pattern is perfect, better than expected. Now on to the front brakes. Those are a little bit more intricate because they already have a lot of holes, with actually 10 holes in them. So the aligning for this will be pretty difficult. These bad boys. Next up, I'm going to take you on the ride to make the reservoir for the steering pump. Get the lines outside of the inner fenders, straight forward onto the subframe. Alrighty, some steering lines, more steering lines, and a nice spot for the reservoir. Sketching again. Everything is on the drawing board. Then off to the waterjet. The list goes on, and we're just checking out the boxes for the things we need to do. We're onto the steering rack. We're going to need some special parts. This is one of those special parts that goes in the steering rack to make it an AN fitting. So we can make our own lines and make it as long or as short as possible and route everywhere we want to go. There's a special rubber enclosure to get it all fitted in the rack. Over there you can see one bracket, and there's the AN fitting for the steering. There is just no room, so we need to figure out why it's that bracket. Can we remove it? I like removing it. So damn easy, Mr. Donor. It's actually a steering line bracket, but it should be straight up and not flat. That's why I didn't recognize it and learned something again about the Mark III. I decided I'm not going to use that anymore, so get the drill out. Okay, that's done. First steps. Zoom in, come on. Alright, there they are. Wow, sad looking lady. Only one eye, but it means we've got a lot done in this episode. Not as much as I expected, but that's what it is running a shop. There's so much stuff happening always, but that's good for another episodes. There's lots more to come on our channel, so like and subscribe to our channel to follow our builds. First up, we need to clean the shop again, because I made a lot of mess. Got this box with some stuff for the aircon lines. Still not finished in this episode. Sorry guys. But we're getting there. Got a lot of stuff in it, so I'm going to make it. I promise you, the next episode, that will be done. Power steering is almost done. The most important thing is in, as you've seen. Really happy on this result. Well, like and subscribe our channel and see you in the next episode. Check out our Instagram and the Instagram from the Mark III, so you can follow us on our socials for short updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.